Hey, my lovely people, welcome back for yet another job lead. Okay, so today we're going to get into a job that I have for you from a really well known online banking provider that provides a slew of different bank products. Okay, so you can get loans from them, you can get bank accounts, they even service private student loans, they refinance student loans, mortgages, investments. You can get so many things from them. And this company is SoFi, okay? This is a banking company by the name of SoFi. So moving over to the actual job that I do have with them, this is the member service representative. This is the role that we are going to be going over on this actual video. I promise y'all that I will be bringing you more roles, and here you are. I don't play, okay? So we are going to be doing more roles where it's just going to be one or two roles in the video as well, so I can get way more roles to you. My goal this year is to really be able to impact you guys and get you guys the roles that really fit within your lifestyle and really can allow you to live the life that you want to live on your own terms. Okay, so we're bringing you as many roles as we possibly can on a weekly basis. So this role is the member service representative role. It is within the operations, sales, and servicing department. And moving down into the specifics of this actual role. So some of the things that you'll be doing in this role is you will be handling inbound inquiries via phone, chat, and email. Okay. And you will be dealing with inquiries directly from SoFi's members and new members who are trying to get new benefits. A lot of the inquiries that you will be handling is things with bank accounts, investment accounts. You'll also be processing and looking at loans, and you'll be resolving their inquiries. So they might call in and say, hey, I'm having issues with my online account. Can you assist? So you would just go into their account, figure out what's going on, and respond and resolve that issue. Okay. And that includes troubleshooting, de-escalating issues, and really just looking into complex inquiries and being able to really solution them, whether that be escalating it to another department or getting someone to look at it. They also do have here that you will have to meet or exceed specific performance measurements. So keep that in mind, just making sure that you're responding in time and you're answering them applicably and correctly, and you're resolving the issue on the first time that they call. So you will have to use your listening skills to see exactly what the issue is, so you can dive into it and not think that you know what the issue is, but actually seeing what their issues are to resolve them. You'll also be communicating a lot of the calls that you get to management regarding the inquiries and the concerns and complaints that you're getting, so that they can improve on their services, their products, and operations to ensure that things are meeting the customer's eye, right? Because banks operate based off the people that support and come in and bring business to the banks. They want to make sure that they are getting information from their first line people who are dealing with the customers on a daily basis, which would be you. Okay. Now moving down into more of what you would actually need for this specific job. All right, they do have here that you will need strong verbal and written communication skills. You'll also need to be proficient and understand your regular PC, right? Your regular computer, and being able to maneuver between regular softwares on a computer like Microsoft Office, Suites, your Word, your Excel, PowerPoint, things of that nature. You'll also need to be able to navigate between a lot of different complex work assignments. So being able to multitask, really being able to also be productive, work independently, and being able to be a team player and work with the team. Being able to adapt comfortably to change is really big as well. Being organized, having really great time management skills. And they do also have here that you will need to have the ability to work evenings, sometimes nights, and sometimes weekend days. So keep that in mind when applying for this specific position. Now, also, they do have here, if you do have experience with handling high volume transactions, that's a really great thing too. And also, having a high school diploma or GED is required. So everything else is kind of like a great thing to have, but having your actual GED or diploma is a requirement. That's the main requirement for this role. You also must be able to pass your FINRA fingerprint background check. FINRA is the Financial Industry Registration Licensing Department's background check. So keep that in mind. You do have to undergo a background check for this one. If any of these requirements do not align with you well or your background, definitely check out my previous video from today. And also make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any future rules that may come out that better align with your background and where you want to go with your career. They also do have that it's a plus if you do have contact center experience, like call center experience. If you do have your Series 99 license, that is basically a general financial institution license. And or if you do have any financial services experience, that is also a plus. Okay. Now with this role, the hourly wage is $19.50. Okay. For this role, this is more of an entry level financial banking role, which is really good. And the pay is really good for it to be fully work from home as well. And then moving down, they just do have some information about them being an equal opportunity employer. And this is where you would come and you would apply, okay? So moving up again, this is the member service representative role. It is a remote role. It is within Utah, so keep that in mind. If that is not something that aligns with you, definitely make sure you stay tuned and make sure you're a part of the family by subscribing to the channel, turning that bell notification on, clicking all so that you can be notified every single time I drop a new video and you don't miss out. We're definitely here to help you get the job of your dreams, working fully from home and something that really aligns with your background that is completely lucrative. So make sure you're a part of the tribe by subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. Until the next one, I will see you very soon. Make sure you stay great and you stay thriving. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.